It took me years to learn how to code. I have wasted countless hours of my life stuck in tutorial hell where I'd watch YouTube videos and Udemy courses, and at the end of it, I hadn't learned a thing. And that's because following coding tutorials is one of the worst ways to learn how to code, which may surprise you considering the internet's full of them. The instructor knows what the end result is going to be. All they are doing is regurgitating the already finalized steps for you to follow. And that's why you don't learn anything when you watch these things, because you're not problem solving. And that's the key to learning how to code. Problem solving. But with all that being said, I don't think you should give up on courses and tutorials just yet. They could still be a valuable resource as long as you utilize them correctly. So here are the 3 golden rules that I follow when I watch any tutorial or course. Rule number 1, set clear goals. Before you even watch a tutorial or course, you need to know what knowledge you're trying to learn and how you want to apply it to a project of your own. Don't watch a 2-hour-long tutorial about making a Facebook clone. Instead, figure out what programming concept you want to implement and seek out a tutorial specifically teaching you that one subject. Rule number 2 is to be diverse. Don't limit yourself to one tutorial or to one instructor. Seek out different perspectives and approaches to learning. This will give you more tools in your toolbox when ultimately it's up to you to implement what you are learning. And before I talk about rule number 3, I want to give a quick bonus rule that I just want to throw in here. Use tutorials as a starting point. One of the best tools that an entry-level developer could have is learning how to dissect information from technical documentation. Because eventually you will be solving problems and implementing things that are novel, and you won't have a YouTube tutorial to fall back on. And rule number 3, if you followed a tutorial to the point where all of the code in your project was written by someone else, stop. It's time to take a step back and do something on your own. Refactor the code, add a new feature, do anything that will challenge you to write or modify code without someone telling you what to do. So if you're serious about learning how to code, stop watching tutorials and start coding. Create your own projects, experiment, make mistakes, because those mistakes are how you get better.